Okay, I made a rookie mistake on this. Lucky the boy called it. We had the pistons in wrong because these valve release are different sizes. Your smaller one is exhaust, bigger one's intake. And here you got exhaust, intake, intake, exhaust. Exhaust, intake, exhaust, intake. Nope. Intake, exhaust. But yeah, so we had to tear them back out, clean them all up again, reinstall the rings. We kept the rings to the cylinder, so we had to take the rings off, put them on the proper pistons that go back in the cylinder. So our ring gaps stay the same. But I'm just glad he called it because we'd have been smashing valves probably. So, well, we're set up now, and we did bring the head over to verify the valves are correct. So now I guess we're going to set up and we'll degree this cam. Okay, in order to get this timing set on, this won't fit. It goes back so far, then we get to a hard spot. Some people have beat them on, but I'm not going to do that. We got a mark on the sprocket where we want it on our chain. We're going to heat it. Don't tell the wife, but we stole the toaster oven from the house. She'll find out when she gets up from her nap, though, I'm sure. So we'll bake this. What's a good temperature for baking gears? What do you think, 350? All right, so we'll bake that for 20 minutes, half hour. We gotta drill holes in these with, wait for it, these drill bits. You see them? There's 3 drill bits in there. Did it focus?
Yeah.
Think that'll fit in a 1/2 inch chuck? I don't think so. So we got a Dremel attachment. We'll try to rig that up in there somehow. Slice. Always slice towards your buddy so you don't get bloody. This don't look promising at all, and I'm already scratching. Oh man! It's like using your phone down between the console and the seat. Come with instructions.
Yeah.
Someone cut them up. Yeah, I wonder if you require goggles with this too. Heavy duty goggles. Ooh, pictures. Oh, these are in Spanish. I can't read these instructions. I can't read these pictures. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Uh-huh. Sure. Yeah, that's what I thought. I'm betting it has a rely on that shaft being pushed in or something. Yeah.
Sure, got
it relies.
The cheap one.
Yep. It relies on the Dremel to go up and down on the Dremel to tighten that up. This has got to be a small Phillips.
Smallish.
This bottom has to get pushed in. I already crushed this thing. It has to get pushed in to close that, see?
That's stupid. I should have just got the cheap one.
That was $8 down the drain. Okay, we got plugs for the oil galleys for behind the timing chain. We were about ready to put the timing chain on, but oops, we didn't have plugs, so we got plugs. But now we're trying to drill holes in them. Successfully, we got one hole drilled so far. That is 0.8 millimeter diameter hole. Called for what? 1/32 of an inch bit. That's this bit here. But we couldn't find anything that adapted over to the drill press. So I found these bits here on Amazon. These are 0.8 millimeter. Actually, 1/32 is like 0.79 millimeter or something like that. So we went 0.8. And these are made for, I guess, a CNC machine or something for drilling out PCB boards or something. But we got one in. It worked. bring it on for the second one. I already broke the first bit. Put a little Earl in there. A little bit of 10 weight. Gotta fix that. But went with this because of the 1/8 inch shank. That's about as small as this truck's going to go. I wanted to swap the belt around, make it go slower, but oh well. Wrong switch. Look at this crooked truck, huh? I think it is bad bearing in there or something. It went. Did that one without breaking the bit. Yeah, you get the picture or the video. And here's the reason we drilled these holes in here. It's for these oil galley plugs. It's oil galley feeds the oil to the lifters. The holes allow air to escape when you first start up, so you have an initial lifter tap when you start your engine. Air will bleed out faster, and at the same time it will oil the timing chain. Number 2, Permatex. We got the plugs from Pep Boys. With the machine shop, they said they couldn't drill a hole that small. I mean, I'm sure if we went to a machine shop that does metal work, they could have done it, but little baby. No hole in the top one. This is just a simple plug. And we're not doing torque on these because it's a pipe thread. I should use ultra black on that. Oh well.
Oh well. Crank gears in there heating up. What else can we do? Okay, fries are done. It was beef. Wow, that thing's hot. Where's the 6? yard mark. Oh yeah, she says like skipped. Okay, we're on. That's it. It's time to get. Where's our cam bolts? That thing slid right up against. Remember you put Loctite on these when we're all done, but we want the gritty cam first. I lost one. There, it's in the socket. Dumbass. Keyway. I'm ready. Oh, we need a piece of wire. Of course, this bounce around is 10, okay.
Okay.
14, so let's go with 12 then, huh? Eleven and a half.
What the?
12. That's pretty damn close.
Yeah.
We got a line with. I just hate how rough these rings are. $12. Let's try that. 15 and a half.
That's 15.
15.
Yeah.
A little over, hopefully.
That's what it looks like. Anyway, it's pretty close.
Gotta close it.
That's what I want. Stamped. Oh, look at that.
What do you got?
44 and a half.
44 and a half.
45.
45?
Yeah. Or 45.
We got 45. Dead bulb, dead nuts on. They want 47.5.
We have 45, so.
Marginal error.
Marginal error. It's called Harbor Freight error. Let's go for the exhaust. I hate these brakes.
Yeah, blame the rings.
Gotta be the rings. Craig turned too easy.
Yeah, it did.
What we got?
58 dead, and it's supposed to be 57 and a half, right?
Exhaust opens.
I think it's supposed to be 57.
Okay, this is before 59 and a half before bottom dead center.
58. Pretty much dead. Because that's
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What do you got, 58?
Yep.
Exhaust.
Like 58 and a half, actually. That's like.
Exhaust.
What's it supposed to be? 57 and a half?
Opens, they're calling for 59 and a half. 11 and a half after
Quarter-
top dead center.
Quarter inches here.
What do you got? They want 11 and a half.
7.
Jesus. We got 7 even, huh? So the exhaust valve is closing 3.5 degrees early.